Hey guys, I want to do a quick YouTube short here. I'm running a VMP No-grind FEAD Kit to run my 2020 up GT500 Predator blower on my Coyote motor here. This is an illuminator build that I've been up to for months now, but really I'm trying to show you guys that yes, this is a 2014 car, but this VMP No-grind FEAD Kit really has a lot of belt wrap. It's an awesome kit. They give you the idler pulley to the left and the tensioner right there. And I happen to be running a 5.2 Predator balancer. And it's great because I could still run my 6-rib, which is here, as you see, my 6-rib AC pulley. So I got ice cold AC. One day if I want to upgrade to an 8-rib, I mean, I really don't see myself having to because that's a ton of belt wrap with that no-grind FEAD kit. And it's awesome. So if you guys are looking to do this blower swap, this is the way to go. And you don't have to trim your water pump pulley as well if you stay with this kit on 6-rib. On an 8-rib kit, you'll have to get bigger pulleys. So then you might have to trim the back lip off of the water pump pulley. But other than that, that's how you do a belt drive on a Coyote to Predator swap your car.